Blue corner representing Albania, Bekiri.
Bekiri of Albania, we've seen once in this ring already, getting past Adolfo Silva of Sweden. He won the bronze at the World Championships in 2021. As Nurmухаммедов just makes his way into the ring. He got a bronze at the Asian Games in 2023, Nurmухаммедов. These two have both been around a bit. They've got plenty of top-level experience.
Your judges for this contest come from Armenia, Tajikistan, Morocco, Romania and Tunisia.
That's Bekiri in the blue. Nurmухаммедов of Turkmenistan in the red. 23 from Ashgabat. Bekiri 31, so a bit of an age gap between them.
Round one.
And he's aggressive, Bekiri. Trying to feel his way in here a little bit, Nurmухаммедов, creeping in with that front foot. As soon as he gets close enough, though, Bekiri will let those hands go. He won't wait. Just trying to stick that left to the body there, Nurmухаммедов. Left hook there from Bekiri. I don't think quite got through. These two are pretty much right on top of each other in punching range all of the time. Jab there from Bekiri. Hook there from Bekiri, just scuffed the top of the head there of Nurmухаммедов. Right to the body, that's solid from the Albanian. And the hook again there from Bekiri. There's that left hook, and it landed once more from the fighter in blue. This is the final minute of round one. Left hook. He's landed that 3-4 times now, Bekiri. Nurmухаммедов just needs to keep that right hand up a bit more. Final stages of round one. He's been trying to find the angles, Nurmухаммедов, just hurrying up those feet at the end of the round. There's that left hook that lands again there from Bekiri. Turning around that front foot. Nurmухаммедов getting 3 of the cards. Bekiri 2.
Round two.
So into the second round. We've had some close fights in terms of the scoring in this session on day 4. Good strong right hand there down the middle from Bekiri, and there's that left hook again. It's not causing Nurmухаммедов problems, he's just gobbling it up, but it's landing almost every time he throws it. Nurmухammedov again just moves around that front foot to try and create the angle, but it's not really worked just yet. Good left hand on the inside there from Nurmухammedov. 3-4 punch combination, and that little left uppercut, the final punch got through. The left hook there from Bekiri. I don't think quite made it that time. He just pulled his head back, Nurmухammedov. Right hand from Bekiri. This is better from Nurmухammedov. He's just making more of an impact. He catches another left hook there, though, just after he landed his own right hand. He almost managed to pull back out of range, but not quite. And maybe he is just beginning to find those angles as he works around him in that tight semicircle. Quick hands. He tip-taps and then he'll look to try and sink one in. And Bekiri, he's told to keep his head up. I don't think he was dipping too low there, to be honest. Nurmухammedov certainly wasn't complaining. He was looking to try and find the target. Right hand from Bekiri. And there's that left hook again. Looking for the uppercut there. Nurmухammedov didn't land it. And when he is tight, when he is really close, it's hard for Bekiri to land that left hook. He needs a bit of room. Straight right hand there for Bekiri. It was a good punch. That's the range he needs it out. There's the left hook again. He needs it at that mid-range. Nurmухammedov wants to be closer, but he's got to get there. There's the left hook again. Every single time almost. So Bekiri throws it, he lands it, and again. And the inability to avoid that left hook is nullifying a lot of the good work that Nurmухammedov is doing into the final 30 seconds of round two. They're not heavy punches of landing on the inside there from Nurmухammedov, but they are scoring punches and they are landing. Left hook was maybe slightly short there. Final stages. 3-2 split in favour of Nurmухammedov with the scoring at the end of round one. So this is critical, what we get here. And we've got split scoring again. It's 3-2 in favour of Nurmухammedov.
Seconds out.
And it's 3 cards in favour of Nurmухammedov, 2018, and 2 to Bekiri.
Final round.
And it's been close, and the fact that he's got 3 of them, Nurmухammedov, well, that gives him a significant advantage. Because with a 2-point lead, this has been tight, and the cut that he brought into the fight is opening up. And the doctor will have a look at it. The blood's running clear of the eye, so it's not affecting his vision at all, and they'll just look to tidy this up a bit. As I say, it's been a close fight. I'm not arguing with the scorecards, really. It's just that that left hook that he's thrown, Bekiri, he's landed it so many times. That I just wonder whether it could have counted for a little bit more. Nurmухammedov on the inside has done some decent work, some cute work at times, but he's been hit with it again and again and again. It's taken a while over this, the doctor. And he's going to let this go on. But there's a long time to go in round 3. And that's where he's at his most effective, Nurmухammedov. There's that left hook again. And the referee warning him about making contact with the inside of the glove, which he's not done very often at all, actually, throughout the course of this fight. He's landed that left hook legally, which again is an important point. And I just wonder whether he'll survive this inspection or not. If he doesn't, and he hasn't, I don't think, and the fight is over. That's unfortunate for Bekiri. And it's going to be a bout review.
Ladies and gentlemen, the decision of this contest is RSC injury in round number 3, and the decision goes in favor of the boxer in the red corner.
And so Nurmухаммедов gets it, basically.
Representing Turkmenistan, Nurmухаммедов.
It was punches which caused that existing cut to open up. And that's what's caused the stoppage there, basically.